See if I can do a little rooftop tour here of this particular building. Got a number of issues going on. We're looking mostly at these McQuay package units. That took a minute. Got some coil corrosion issues. They're not that old, but yeah, that's some other problems. This one's not as bad. This one seems to have survived a little bit. They're not fantastic. It is kind of crazy. But anyway, you can see that this is probably the best case scenario here. And you get there's some access issues too on this roof. As it sits, in order to access the VFD for the fans, for the supply and return fans, and and the HEPA filter for the supply there. It's on the surgery center. You just have to crawl under here, I guess. There's just no access for it. It seems really unsafe. This isn't really sturdy enough to walk on. And then under there, not safe to crawl under with all these things spiking down. That's kind of messed up. Our boiler system here, I believe this is heating hot water. See, hot water fan coils in the surgery center. Some considerably oversized makeup water piping. That's cool, I guess. Like how it just reduces down to a ½ inch here. No good reason at all. It's another one of these McQuay packagings. This one seems a little smaller. It could be my imagination, but again, got pretty bad situation going on with the coils here. We're really close to the ocean, like within a few miles. But it's kind of overcast today. I don't think you can see it, but normally if you look off the roof in the right direction, you can see it. But someone did not get the look at that little fan motor showing down there, guys. Someone did not get the coated coils. Close ocean proximity. I think we might have the same access issue here on this unit. See, they're all just boxed in by the ductwork. Kind of poor planning, it seems. Big exhaust fan here. A couple smaller exhaust fans. Another boiler. Let's see. Is this one for heating too? Yeah, it is. Actually. More appropriately sized makeup water system there. Ooh, look at that. A solder strainer. You don't see that very often. Ooh, I'm jealous. I wish I could have installed that. Yeah, two of them. They were gambling, man. I'd say there was a leak there for a good while. I like the relief valves. Very nice. Most of the work here is pretty nice, actually. Some of it's a little excessive. Really nice new Limo boy there. Nice. Don't get to walk around this roof very much as you don't have less visited properties. That's the wrong kind of union there, partner. Somebody's getting cheap. Let's see, this one is a chiller, also McQuay. About the same vintage as the other ones. This one's got a real bad situation going on with the coil. Just a series of these magnums. Oh, some more of the wrong unions there. Oh boy. Oh man. other side of the chiller here. So you got that kind of that plate heat exchanger there. It seems kind of smallish, but I guess obviously it's designed for the system. So yeah, these coils. So it's shame this building's only about 10 years old, and they already have major issues with things like the coils there. Big old vacuum pump system here for the surgery center. I like the drain elbows, very classy. Oh, big old water heater over here, natural gas, naturally. That doesn't make a difference on the vacuum. That's steel anyways, that makes sense. Oh, what is this little guy? Oh no, this oh yeah, it's like chilled water. I didn't even realize this unit before. Got a chilled water unit up here. Yeah, interesting. You see it's going in 100% outside air for the surgery center. I've got a couple little small split systems here, not mini splits, but just what do you call it, a low profile unit. A little cancel vent there or something. A little mixing valve. Uh-oh. Man, someone was bad with the dielectrics up here. Bad boys. Nice taco circulating pumps. And another set of boilers. Look at those. Those are hot water boilers. Yeah, that's right. These are for the common area, and this one's for the surgery center, this big tank. Which is pretty big boy, I would say. This is just a storage tank. What am I thinking? That's just a storage tank for for these boilers here. So this is common area. All this is for the common area, domestic water, hot water. Wow, this unit is making a lot of water. Jeez. Damn, I got the return fan going full fucking speed there. Makes me cry. Nothing else wrong with these units. Only 10 years old, man. I haven't even seen a replacement compressor in any of these things. I've seen a couple, they've gotten a couple solenoid valves, hot gas bypass valves. One of them got a 407C replacement refrigerant. But I think this is the one that has the 407 in it. Yeah, it's a sticker. So we'll put some suction line isolation valves in there too. Wall valves. And solenoid valves, and hot gas bypass. I remember checking these out and seeing that they were having some performance issues. A couple more some Lieber units here, I imagine for server rooms or something. A couple more of those low profile units. Oh man, those coils are so bad. Dude. These levers, got another little lever over there. And then one more lever. And then if you look here, look at the unit, clearly these units are discharging directly into each other. All breathing each other's hot air. Certainly someone could have done something about that, I would think. That's also a little forward. That's not liquid tight anymore. Yeah, that about does it for the grand tour here. Another old Liebert. It was one of those I remember. And then this thing is another chiller. Got a lot of individual systems for what doesn't seem to be too big of a building, but I guess that's just how they laid it out. I can't see the ocean today. It's too cloudy. Not a bad view though. Not a bad temperature for a late May day as well. It's usually pretty hot and sticky right about now. But nothing on the outsides here, just these the window washer, whatever you call that, lift, crane, whatever. That's neither of those things. Come on, what's the right word here? Oh well. Yep, window washers. All these little platforms, you can move them around to wherever you need them. Pretty cool. They're aluminum, so in theory, just a couple guys can move it, I think. They got all these different mounting points. Alright, that's about it. Thanks for watching.